Alright, so as you guys know, I'm going to be using a Driveshaftshop, Driveshaft aluminum, and I figured I'd do a little video on the install of it. It's pretty simple, but there's really no other videos out there for it, so just going to kind of show you guys the whole process and show you guys the drive shaft and see how it goes. Alright guys, so here's the drive shaft. It's a pretty nice drive shaft, aluminum, very good quality. I'm going to start by bolting it up. As you see, I had that plate on, bolted to the stock differential, and then you got 4 Allen bolts that kind of go here. So, yeah, let's bolt it up, see how it goes, see how it fits. Alright guys, got the drive shaft all hooked up. Pretty much you just slide into the back of the transmission. It's a T56 Magnum, but it's really the same with any transmission. Slide it in, and on this end we've got, for my particular, well actually any really drive shaft for a Supra, got a plate that bolts on to the rear differential. Let me get a better look at that for you guys. So you got this plate here that kind of hooks up to your drive shaft, to your rear differential, with 3 bolts. They're Allen head bolts with 19mm nuts on them. These ones right here, hooks right up. There's a little stud that sticks out. Kind of got to hammer it on, and yeah, that plate goes on there. Tighten it all up, and then you slide the whole drive shaft into the tail of the transmission. It slides into like here, and then you just pull it out a little bit so it's flush against the plate. Screw in these nuts, bolts, these Allen bolts, and yeah, you're good to go. It's all hooked up. Fitment was great. Fitment's really good. I still have to do some work on my emergency brake, but as you guys saw in the earlier shots, it fits great. Goes right down the tunnel. It looks awesome. And I actually still have access to my emergency brake cables up here. I can still fit my hands around here and I can still see everything, so that's nice. It doesn't, it's not freaking, it's a big drive shaft, don't get me wrong, but it's not like, you can't freaking work on anything above it like the emergency brake cables. Really the only thing that's above the drive shaft. So yeah, it's a good drive shaft. This is mostly a video for people installing it that are just curious, the undercarriage of the Supra, and to see how it looks and how it goes on, people thinking of buying it. I've heard great things about these drive shafts. I know you can buy them, and let me just get it from under here. I know that you can buy them in carbon fiber. I opted to go with the aluminum one because I'm not going to be breaking any records here with horsepower or anything. So yeah, it's a great drive shaft. It's a great product. If you guys like what you see, make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos and like parts and stuff that I'm working. I've got an exhaust going on. I'm going to be uploading a couple more videos of some products along with the update videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about the drive shaft or any of my parts I use in general, then feel free to comment, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching.